Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have an Item Beauty product to try out, and this is the Quip Stick Moisturizing Lip Color. So Item Beauty is Addison Rae's makeup brand, and I got this in the shade Come Thru as part of my January 2023 Boxycharm base box. This retails for $16. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and it has nourishing ingredients in it. It has vitamin E, meadow foam seed oil, and I'm excited to see how moisturizing this is going to be on my dry lips because I love to wear lip color, but my lips get so chapped. So I'm excited to see how this is going to work for me. And it says, choose your hue with buildable pigment that nourishes and intensifies with every swipe. Okay, I am intrigued to see how this will apply. And this is nice packaging. I like the purple. And it's like a twist up, kind of classic packaging. But let's start out with the swatch. Ooh, pretty. Like a orangey nude shade. Definitely looks different than the sticker on the packaging, but hopefully this will look okay on me. It's a little bit more orangey brown than I typically would choose for myself. Also, this is supposed to have a watermelon scent, which is my favorite flavor of scent. And I do smell it. It's definitely not overpowering, but it does smell like a nice watermelon. Okay, I need some hydration on my lips. Let's see how this is. Ooh. I like the feel of it going on. It glides right on. And that is good pigment. Yeah, really nice slippy feel. I like the watermelon scent, but this is kind of having like a weird flavor in my mouth. Not that I feel like I even really got much in my mouth, but it has a slight bit of a bad taste, which is not a good first impression. But ooh, I kind of like the color on me. A little different than what I normally wear, but it's pretty. I think I could get used to this. And I like the feel of it moisturizing my lips. I still have some dry patches, but it definitely did add some good hydration. And it's looking smooth. Like it's not clinging to the dry patches, which is good. So for a tinted lip balm, or even a little bit more than a tint, this is nice. Oh, just that taste though is so weird. Like, I can get over it, but it keeps like tasting in my mouth and it's not a good taste. But the color looks nice. It has a little bit of shine. It is enhancing the lips with a nice smoothed out effect. Good hydration. It's so like slippy and nice on the lips that I do feel like there's going to be a lot of transfer. So let's see. I mean, it's not a super dark kiss mark, but that made it come off almost completely on my lips. So it's not long lasting, but it is very quick and easy to reapply. Yeah, this shade, it's definitely growing on me. It's a nice neutral shade. I feel like it's good for any time, anywhere, any makeup look, good for any time of year. So this is a really nice, quick and easy moisturizing lip color to throw on. Yeah, I like this. Let me know in the comments down below if you like this, if you've tried it out as well. Maybe you've tried it in some of the other colors. Let me know how those are. But this Come Thru shade, I am very happy to have in my collection now. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.